tall, I'm fat, I have two hazelnuts for my eyes, a carrot for the nose, and some stones for my mouth. I have branches for the arms, I have chestnuts for bottles, and a big stick.
But the snowman, no hat, no scarf, no gloves, and he was cold.
Cold, I'm very, very cold.
On the hill, there a girl, she was wearing a long, warm, red scarf. The snowman saw the scarf.
Give me your long red scarf.
I'm sorry, but I'm cold, very cold.
Are you cold? Are you cold inside and outside like me?
Well, no, I suppose not.
Give me your scarf or I hit you with my stick.
Okay, please, don't hit me.
That's better. Cold. I'm cold. I'm very, very cold.
The snowman put on the scarf and now he went without even a thank you. A little far down the hill, he was a boy. He was very warm, wearing green gloves. The snowman saw the gloves.
Give me one green gloves.
I'm sorry, but I'm cold, very cold.
Are you cold? Are you cold inside and outside? Are you made of snow like me?
Well, no, I suppose not.
Give me a scarf or give me gloves or I hit you with my stick.
Okay, please, don't hit me.
That's better. Cold. I'm cold. I'm very, very cold.
The snowman put the gloves on and off. He went without even a thank you. At the bottom of the hill, there was an old man. He was wearing a warm orange bowler hat. The snowman saw the hat. Give me your orange bowler hat. I'm sorry, but I'm cold, very cold. Are you cold? Are you cold inside? Are you afraid of snow like me?
Well, I could cold, but
was standing outside her house. She was wearing comfortable yellow snow boots. The snowman saw the boots. Give me your dinner, no good. I'm sorry, but it got very good. And you cousins and I'm outside. And you friend of the snow baby. Well, no, I suppose not. Then give me you and nose, or I think it's my stick. Okay. If you need a mat, inside come with me. Sorry, we need 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So the snowman folded the lady into the house. Hurry up, my feet are freezing cold. Oh, I'm sorry. Come on, sit the fire. The fire? Yes, it's snowing. So the snowman went and set a chair near the fire. Are you feeling warmer? Come in. 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 Are you feeling warmer? Bye-bye, snowman. Oh, what's happening? I'm going to check the nuts and the gas for my lunch. The stones and all the fantasies on the fire. There's nothing to look at more. I will discover green gloves and orange overlap. Whose are these clothes? The lady went on the fire, put the clothes on and the dresses on their own. Hello, you look good. Is this yours? Yes, that's my brother. You're welcome. Then the lady sent me down. Hello, you look good. Is this yours? Yes, you're my gloves. That's better. Thank you. You're welcome. Then the lady sent me down there. Hello, you look good. Is this yours? Yes, that's my skirt. That's better. Thank you. You're welcome. They left to the people. Hey, Sydney, come coming. Hey, we want to make a snowball. Yay! Roll down the hat. Roll, and dip the head. 2 nuts for the eyes. A carrot for the nose. Some chestnuts for the body. 2 lettuce for the eyes. A stick? No stick, just in case. That's all. We hope you like the show. See you next time. Now we are going to dance the penguin. Stand up, everybody can dance.